it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Today I'm also going to try out my new little chainsaw I got for Christmas. So this is the little tree and I would like to get rid of. So I'm just gonna put my chainsaw together. It's battery powered. And I'm gonna just start by maybe chopping down these little twigs. So we'll see how it goes. This is the chainsaw. Isn't it cute? And you put the battery in. You just slide it in here. It's kind of tough, so you gotta slide it in. I've only done it once before, so it'll take me a minute to get it lined up and put in there. Nope. There we go. There. Now we got it in. And I got it on lock so that it doesn't go until I push this, and then it'll go. Gonna put my gloves on. These came with them, so I'm assuming they'll help if the chainsaw hits me. And I have glasses, so they'll work for eye protection. Okay. And you can only run it for about 7 minutes, it says. But that should give us lots of time to chop stuff down. So we'll push this little lock thing in there. That's what it does. So let's see if we can get some. There we go. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys saw that. So let me get down here more. Might take a while to go through a trunk this big, but I'll go back here and get rid of these. Make short work of those. So that's nice. And I might just be able to use these branches in some crafts. Okay, we got smaller branches up here. Let's see what we can do. Oops. Make short work of that, that's for sure. I'm just trying to get into this branch here. Woo! So that was good. Smells good too. Here's another one. Just like butter. Let the cut this one out of here. Not sure if it'll go through as much or not. Well, let's see. Cut it down. Hey. Now I know I'm going to use the stem of this, or the trunk of this tree. I will save to cut up little pellet things. Oops. Okay. Let's put this on lock. Oh, yeah. Gotta press on the red button to pull it out. Take the battery out. Okay. So this little bush, this is big, I should have cut some more. I think I'm going to put this in my front planter out front. But I got to cut a little more of this top. I'm just going to set it down here. Bring the battery back in. Should have left it in. Getting easier every time. So oops, got it locked. Now, can you see what I'm doing? Oops. Got hold it. Okay. Yeah, don't let it go towards me, that's for sure. Two little branches here. So I'm going to cut one right there. That should be enough. Okay. lock it. We got this nice little fluffy tree. I'm going to put it in my basket on the front gate. I think it'll look cute. It smells nice out here. It's beautiful, beautiful day in Lethbridge. It's going to be quite warm. I think I'll leave my gloves on. Okay, now we're at the front of the house. And I've cleaned my basket out. Took all the Christmas stuff out. And I still have the floral foam in there. You can just stay in there because it'll be good. And I'm going to stick this little tree in there and hopefully it'll look cute. It's just like a little bush. Ouch. I think that looks really cute. And that can finish off winter. There it is. Here it is. I think it looks very cute. I'm very proud because I cut it with my little chainsaw. So it's going to do exactly what I want it to do. Be able to go out in the bush and forage for evergreens. Yay!